Good evening, Murali sir.
Good evening, Prakash ji.
Yeah. So I would like to know what is the outcome of today's meeting.
We had a very interesting session in the morning in which representatives from all the regions talked about the kind of strategies they have used to be able to influence the policy making, the programs, etc. It has been very interesting to know how different strategies seems to be working in different regions. We also realize that there is a lot of potential to learn from within FAN Global Consortium, which can help each one of us to strengthen our strategies.
So, do you think that there will be a kind of like new structures coming up after a 3 days meeting?
Yes, I think FAN has been growing so much as a kind of global consortium. We need to really think in terms of structures which will effectivize the organizational functioning, and I think the sustainability, the growth of the network very much depends upon the structures that we will have. I think that's the agenda for discussion for tomorrow. But today we had a very interesting discussion about the strategy. In fact, two important viewpoints that were emerging in the discussion were that whether FAN Global should restrict to the role of facilitating civil society participation in the international policy making events, or should FAN Global be getting into the role of supporting the regional networks, the national networks. So finally we had a consensus that FAN Global should play a very active role in terms of supporting the networks at the regional and national level, so that they are very vibrant, very strong in terms of their advocacy action at the national level and the regional level. Once the networks are very strong at the national and the regional level, automatically their ability to reach out to the international policy making events would also be quite good. So that's the kind of consensus the group had from today's discussion, which is, I'm personally very happy about that decision.